my God, it's so amazing.
Come on, it's okay.
Okay.
Put it down. Set it down, come on. It's my twin. It's okay, mine is.
Trying to like,
Mine and my mom's in.
it's so weird
Let's
here.
go.
Chill out, stop.
This way.
Run
That's
around.
it, Mom.
Nobody's,
Go.
I'm trying to flip the camera.
Puppy.
It's been like over 100 degrees.
It's raining.
There's like one big gray cloud, but it's finally cooled off. Like it's been like 100. Okay, what are you in a big rush for?
Okay, what's for dinner?
I don't know, Burger King again.
Yeah, go get food. Can we have Wendy's?
No.
Burger King.
It's actually cooled off. Like,
A whole lot.
I was looking for a rainbow, but I don't see it yet. Oh my God. It's been like 111 degrees every freaking day for like weeks.
No, and now it's finally
I mean,
raining.
like our grass is brown,
Rainbow!
and we finally have some rain, and it finally cooled. There's the rainbow. There's the rainbow. Do you not see it?
Oh my God, I see it!
I can see it more. I don't know. Can you guys see it?
It's a rainbow!
You see the rainbow?
I see it!
There it is. There's the rainbow.
There's a rainbow!
Okay.
Let's go play in that park over there.
I wanna. I don't need the air conditioning on now.
Mommy, let's go to that.
Let's go where? Not going anywhere. Oh my God, the rainbow's huge. Look, it goes all the way across. It's not a tornado, but
Park over there. I'm gonna go to that
I'm
park.
going to the rainbow.
That's
You see
not-
the rainbow? It.
Mom, I wanna play in that park.
Nobody cares. Go. Stopping you.
Can we go park? No, let's go play in the park. Yeah!
I can't get the rainbow. Do you guys see it? There. Do you see it? Okay. There's a rainbow. It's hard to see. There's a rainbow. My kids are like so excited. It's actually kind of cold. So I'm in Texas. And it's
Mom, where's the rainbow? That's okay, let's just have fun. Yeah.
it's been so hot here. They haven't had temperature like this since like years ago. I don't know if it's, I remember like 10, 11 years ago, they had like 100, and they had over 100 days of 3-digit temps. Like the high being like 100 and something. So it's been this time around, I don't know, early in July. So it's been weeks now of just hot, right? Like 111. I'm in Texas. It's been 111 degrees. And I go outside today. This is for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. Like it's bad, right? To the point where like look at the grass. You missed the rainbow. Look at the grass. The grass is like dead. Like this is the color of our grass. It's not green anymore. And normally like last July, the last several Julys, it was not, like we had some rain and stuff. So anyway, it's been like 110 degrees, 104 degrees every day for weeks. Okay. So today I was driving the kids, pick them up. And I noticed that the temperature kind of dropped a little bit. I'm like, it's a little cloudy outside. And then all of a sudden I'm like, oh my God, rain. So we kind of broke some rain, and then we got a big rainbow. And I don't know. It looked really cool because the sky was like split. I couldn't really get it on camera. Oh well, doesn't matter. It looked really cool because there was this big gray, black, and then the sun was popping through it and stuff. I mean, look at this grass. Like, look at this. The grass like dies in Texas in the summer. Branson, Missouri. I don't know. I get the flyers. Come plan your trip to Branson. My kids are like happy running around.
It's amazing.
Happy as can be. Oh boy. Oh, now it's really coming down. Oh, it's like a tarp. You can actually hang out.
But the rain still gets on here. The rain still gets on. There, Mom, the rain still
Okay.
gets here.
Okay.
You know? Mom, I have
Mom.
a perfect area for your phone. Come in here. Mom, go in here.
I'm okay. I'm quite all right. I'm not going to squeeze into a tunnel right now. It's like really coming down. Like it's like I'm in a sauna. I don't know where Tyler is. I don't think I'm super close, but I'm not super far. Like maybe a couple hours. I don't know. Thank you, Robert. I'm singing in the rain. This is pretty cool though. It is raining, and so it's kind of a big deal right now. My kids are so happy. See, they're the only ones playing in the rain. Everyone else is trying to get out of the rain. But I'm all like, yeah, go have fun. Just don't get hit by lightning. Yes, I see you. I see you, Oh, wow. Never. I know, it used to be fun when it rained and I would stomp around in the mud and stuff. Oh, I can hide in here for cover. Oh, this is perfect.
And there's the other one over there.
Oh, it's getting like cold. It's weird to be cold.
And I was going to tell you.
This actually put me in a better mood. I was in a horrible mood. I don't know.
Come on. This is for cover.
We're just hanging out in the...
Mommy, let's go play in the rain.
I'm good.
Mom, no one wants to play in the rain. It's even sad. No.
Come on, put your shoes back on. Ew. Ew. Stinky feet. Go. Gross. Go. You're stink.
And somebody's bathing.
Ew.
One of the teachers.
The shoes always stink. Like the gym shoes.
Mom, can I
What?
have my other shoes?
I don't know. Yeah. No rain. Well, yeah, same. We're in North Texas, so we finally got some rain. So this is a big deal.
We haven't had rain in for a long
It would be fun. I want to like lay in the pavement in the downpour. I think I might just like get completely drenched just because. Maybe leave my keys right here. I'm gonna go get drenched. Leave my keys there. Leave my keys there. I'm gonna lay in the pavement.
In the rain?
Yes.
Oh, I would have got
We can't lay down? Oh. This is kind of fun actually. Oh my god. Holy fuck. It's getting cold. I feel like laying down on the fucking pavement in the rain. The clouds are pissing me. It's really cold now with the wind blowing. Yeah. Oh well. I'm gonna have to go. I think I'm gonna have to go. Okay. I think I'm gonna get in the car. I'm stopping wet and I'm cold. I'm gonna run heat. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Give me my keys.
Okay.
What are you doing? I didn't ask you to take.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh my god. Just come on, dude. You're on your own, buddy. Everybody's on their own, man. Fend for yourselves. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. The wind is like pushing so hard. It like, his shorts fell down. Pull him up. Oh fuck. Oh. Whew. Okay. The car is. There's towels back there.
It's gonna be so good.
Oh man.
My pants.
I don't have any towels. Well. My shoes are like. Oh man.
What happened to your shoes?
They're like filled with water.
I know mine too. Oh my god.
Oh well.
Oh well.
I fucking YOLO'd, man.
Mom, at least we had
Haven't had a
time.
good. I know. We have to
At least we got to
get the
see
car
rainbow.
detailed. Woo. And now there's a rainbow probably. Fuck. No.
Now the rainbow. Did you see that rain? That rain was thick and that wind.
There's like water.
That.
I'm gonna have to do laundry. Oh God. Okay. There's like water.
How's water?
Buckle up.
getting in?
Guys, buckle up.
It's not. It's from us. Though.
Buckle up.
And us having the door open.
Are you buckled?
Buckle up, Nolan. I think. Okay, there was one person in a red car right now.
It actually was kind of cool.
I was like, oh god.
It's like pouring
What?
hard.
Oh,
Shut the door.
I was pouring out the water from my shoes. There's still a little water.
Oh God.
What?
That's really cool.
I definitely need some new shoes. It's raining. All of my shoes are like drenched.
Look at that water pouring through. We're gonna. Oh my gosh.
You gotta turn on the heat.
Not turning heat on. I'm not gonna turn heat on.
Okay, but you gotta turn on the windshield.
I'm not gonna turn. Oh gosh. Look.
There's so much dirty water. But it's gonna be in the rain.
I hope I didn't leave a bunch of stuff outside. But when it's supposed to get sopping wet.
Water in here. Dirty too.
Oh well. We need to get the car detailed. Look at that. Look at that water. That was kind of fun. I was like laying in the rain, and then we were running back to the car. The wind was blowing. Did the wind hit your back?
When the wind
The wind hit my back, and I started flying, going forward. The wind was so hard.
The wind was so hard.
It pushed.
It literally made me run faster. I felt like I was
Same.
Yeah. Me too.
Nolan's shorts fell down. The wind blew his shorts off.
Someone had a red car probably wondering what we're doing.
Oh, I don't care what people think. Oh, I don't. People always ask me if I'm okay. It's like, yeah, just.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let's get.
Let's just like get out of my business, right? Are you okay? Are you okay? It's like I'm having fun. Leave me alone.
Mommy, wait, your mommy.
In my element. It's a sports bra. My shirt is so wet. No. Mom, nothing. Nothing. Look at this. I didn't know it was going to be this bad. Like, my wet shirt is going to dry my car.
Go faster than you guys.
That, I needed that. That was like, I hadn't showered in like 3 weeks. No, I'm joking. Oh my god, that put me in a much better mood. I was in like the most depressed mood. Like 30 minutes
If you ever see a child or someone do this is to help you. I'm only doing this to show you. I don't think so.
Guys, buckle up. Okay?
Mom,
What?
the wind pulled my shorts down and pushed me forward back.
Whew, that woke me up.
Was that fun?
That was fun, yes. That's pretty cool.
I've not had something like that happen.
Pretty cool.
We've never run in the rain, and when we did it in the rain, oh no, it was so fun. Can I tell you something?
What?
If it's raining, I said during I had to sleep when we were like in school and I had to sleep. If it was raining, we weren't allowed to go because it was raining outside and we had to walk outside to get the What did you guys have to do?
Ooh. The angels are bowling. Oh my god, I didn't even know it was gonna rain. Well, we needed the rain. This is good. Plus it cooled.
Okay, let's go get some birds.
Are you both buckled up?
Yes.
Get your nasty feet down. You guys have to clean that house
Yes. Oh, that's better.
this weekend.
Totally. He actually.
Take care of the animals when you get home.
Can we have our TV and stuff? I want to go play for friends. Oh yeah. But don't write we still have to get paid.
I don't really have a six-pack.
Whatever you do, don't write it.
Quite, but I have some definition. Oh man.
One. Let's one. No, I mean one.
I guess I gotta go because I gotta drive. I have to drive in this ship.
No, run. If you run, it could sleep or fall. But now, but if you don't,
That was kind of cool.
it will probably.
Yeah. I'll check in later.
I'm going for